Okay, good afternoon. So this is how we are going to feed the tarsier in our vernacular Cebuano version. Okay, so I'm going to feed the tarsier. Mauni ang pagpakaon sa tarsier. Okay, so doon ako sa tarsier. So, iyang gikuha ang pagkaon, insekto. Okay, that is how the tarsier eats the insect. Can you grab this one?
To your food. Yeah. Gamit na sa kamot.
Too big for him.
No, his mother told him, you have to chew carefully.
No rush.
Okay.
So mao to ang pagpakaon nato sa tarsier din sa buhok sa bayan ko. Mayong udto. Salamat.